Okay guys, here's our rendering for your kitchen. This is plan view looking straight down. A few modifications off of your original layout. Obviously we're not moving any massive walls, but just tweaking a few cabinets here and there. 3D mode here. Zoom in on a little bit. So one major thing or adjustment I can do is with this peninsula that comes out, I have pushed it back. I don't know exactly where the back of these cabinets start. I'm assuming possibly on the corner, but I pushed it back about 8 inches, I believe. Let me jump back into the plan mode here and I can measure. So from the corner here to the back is about 6 inches. So this cabinet can be a little bit wider. If we notice, this cabinet number 2 is much wider than cabinet number 9 over here. So cabinet number 2 is 17 and 13/16, and then this one over here is 8 and 3/16. So just by pushing this back towards the living room, this cabinet opened up and it will give us a little bit more space inside the kitchen. So from the front of the cabinet on the stove side to the front of the cabinet across the kitchen, mind you that island is going to be in here, is 106 and 7/16, and you're going to lose about 3 inches of that because of the countertop. And I can do that because there's no wall here. I can control where this goes. Drawer stacks here. The side of this is panelized. The back of this peninsula is panelized. You do a granite overhang on there. On the peninsula, drawer stack, drawer stack. We do have dead space here and here. I know you guys were seeing about if there's something that can be done to modify this. It can be done. It's just it's challenging to build a cabinet to fit like that. These 45-degree corners are tricky because they have to be just dead on the front, but there's never a square wall. So the answer is yes. We can make this usable, but it's going to be obviously an upcharge to do that. Our sink is not quite on center with the window. It's about 1.5 inches off center here because of this corner over here, unless we make this cabinet just incredibly small, because I need to stay about 9 7/8 off the corner with these filler pieces. So I had to shift it over. So these two corners coming off these walls came together where they need to be. Looking over on the stove wall, and this is a pretty big change from what you have currently. Our hood, just a couple upper cabinets, right and left. Your cooktop, this cabinet here, is 36 inches wide. This is 20 inches wide. This is a spice rollout. That's about 8 or 9 inches wide, and then a tray divider here. So this door would open up. You can put cookie sheets, etc., in there. So if this cabinet's 36 wide, the hood, we have about 4 inches to the right, 4 inches to the left. And then these upper cabinets are panelized on both sides. The island is included in here, a similar design to your master bathroom vanity. There's just some limitations to the program with putting legs and that bottom shelf in there that this program just can't do that, but that's included in the price, and that's a little bit left open to interpretation for exactly what you guys want. And moving our refrigerator over to this side, we only have about 20 inches. Let's look at it in plan view again. Let's see. We only have 20 inches from the trim of this door to this back corner. So these cabinets are only 20 inches deep, or excuse me, it's 22 from the trim to the back corner. So these cabinets are 20 inches deep. These would be your pantry cabinets. These are the two pantry cabinets, 20 inches deep. adjustable shelving in here. You can do rollouts if you want. You could do about 4 rollouts in there. Those turn out to be $45 a piece for the rollout, so you need a total of 8 for these 2 cabinets. Adjustable shelving up here. Refrigerator, 37-inch wide opening, 72.5 inches off the ground. And then in this open space here would be your wall oven and microwave. A drawer stack in here. I'm suggesting that this wall possibly be totally removed with the contractor. That should be able to come out. And this one could stay if you want to keep a little work space here. This is just a drawer stretcher with a drawer stack underneath. Don't have any upper cabinets here, just to keep it a little bit more open. Of course we could do that. And this is a first shot at the layout to see how our price came out, and we pretty much landed where we thought we would as far as my price range when I was up there a couple weeks ago with you. But let me know if you want to adjust, take away, add a few things in here. I'm not offended if you guys want to do that. We want to make sure it's right for you guys. And looking at the guest bathroom, and I just assumed that we would push this wall. Obviously here's our hallway out here. Push this wall 24 inches to the left. This cabinet currently is 33 wide. It's now 41. We could shrink that down to like 24 and put a drawer stack on the left side, which isn't going to really affect the price. We're just kind of up in the air about what to do with this if we want a single sink. So if we do a drawer stack on this left side, we would have our sink cabinet about 24 wide, and the rest would be for the drawer stack. And then this is our linen cabinet with adjustable shelving in here, and this is 20 inches wide, floor to ceiling. And the side of this is panelized. So that's where we're at with our layouts. Again, let me know what you guys think and get back to me, and we can keep adjusting and fine-tuning until we've come up with something that you guys really like. Thank you.